Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Kamlesh Yadav. First of all, thank you so much for watching my videos. आज जो मेकअप मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ, it's sort of daily makeup और you can carry as formal makeup as well. Especially जो लोग कम makeup करना पसंद करते हैं. So let's start. Before starting makeup, it's very important to cleanse, tone and moisturize the face well. First step of any makeup should be priming. I'm using here Urban Color Primer, VLCC Lip Balm. You can use any brand you prefer. I'm using here Makeup Studio's Yellow Concealer to conceal pigmentation or dark spots of the face. But if you have dark skin tone, then you can go for orange concealer. Now, applying Makeup Studio's Face It Base as foundation, because its coverage is much better than normal foundation. As you can see, I'm using very little amount of base so that my makeup looks natural. Take a buffer brush and blend it well. For setting my base, I'm using Makeup Studio's loose powder and using brush to remove extra powder. For contouring, I'm using Color Sense palette. Now for eye makeup, I am picking reddish brown eyeshadow for contouring. And dark brown eyeshadow at the ends of my eyelids. Using same base for eyeballs, white pearl shadow over it. Reddish brown shadow under my lower lashes. And for depth, I'm applying little kajal at the ends of my lower lashes. And for liner, I'm using here Maybelline. Continuing with mascara. Using blusher from Urban Color. Highlighting nose, cheekbones, brow bones and chin. Light lip color from Makeup Studio palette, and that's it. This is my final daily makeup look. this is my another look. In this, I just finally defined my eyebrows, applied kajal, a darker lip shade and a bindi. I would wear this look if I'm going for a night functions. So guys, आपको मेरा मेकअप कैसा लगा? Do tell me in the comment sections below. And if you liked the video, make sure you like and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe and enjoy the videos.